Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. I'm definitely putting this on YouTube.
There you go.
Pick up that end. Throw it up this time.
I'm gonna pee on myself. You can do it!
I'll tell you what, Chris, you won't be my bodyguard. If that thing falls, you catch it.
Please, I'd be running. Just let you know what walk to the car isn't that quick. That's nasty.
Wow.
Hold dance.
That's the point. Oh, get close in the head. You getting it? You getting it? Come on. Let's get it done.
It's making me nervous. You do it. It's your turn.
How many people does it take to knock down the rotted out tree?
I don't know. It only takes 2 idiots.
Almost got it.
Here, go get this big boulder over here y'all gonna throw in the mud.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
that'll work.
I missed.
Wrong tree. Why don't you try that little bitty one right there and knock it over? We'll warm up.
Are y'all video camera us?
Oh yeah.
No, we're not.
Come on, Ron, do it hard.
Do it harder, baby! Do it harder!
You got this, honey.
Come on, Chris, keep going. Do it again.
Your turn.
Almost at it. Shut up. Throw rocks at it, you imbecile.
They haven't hit the tree once.
Take it out, Rob. Come on, it's your turn to shake it.
Back to the tree branch routine.
Come on, damn it.
That's it.
That's too good. Watch out. You might get it. There it goes.
Dead silence.
Oh! Woohoo! All right.
Do it. All right, now help me out here, fat boy. That nice little buddy. We're gonna do it. We're gonna knock this bitch over. There it goes. It's popping. I need a breather. All right.
Your elbow went in the face.
Hey, you punk.
children.
Ram it. Ram
You're
it,
gonna
fat boy.
fall.
Okay, you ram it, I'll ram you. Ram it, fat boy.
You're gonna fall doing that. You're gonna trip over each other and fall.
I'm gonna get it on video too.
All I heard was ramming something into something. Y'all gonna finish it.
Yeah, y'all started it. Y'all
'Cause
gotta
y'all
knock
not
it over.
quitters.
Open it.
You can do it!
Alright.
That's cheating.
That's not.
Yes, it is.
Come on, Chris. Push.
Dang, y'all need to work out more.
That sucker don't want to move.
Yes, it does. He doesn't know it yet.
Why don't y'all try to like get over it that log and push it that way?
Yeah. Use the log to push off.
I'd go better this way.
Yeah, that's gonna fall on top of you and then emergency room all over again.
Yep.
There you go.
There you go.
I don't want to hear about it later tonight.
You ram it. I've already rammed it.
Let's find the log that we can use as a battering ram.
How about the one standing at the feet?
Huh? That?
Yeah.
Think we can do it, Chris? You can do it.
I think that'll break before that will.
Then what do you got in mind?
Hold it, fat boy. Get over here. You got two handles right there. Let's do it. Hold it by the more down on that side. There you go. Ready?
That's really
Oh my
Ready, fat boy? One, two.
Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me.
Don't you use the other end, it's a wider end.
Let's do that. Turn.
That's the whole point of suggesting that. As a point for.
What's the point of this, Rob?
Knock it over.
I don't even have a handle over here. Where?
Yeah, you do. That huge one right there.
Okay, you ready? One,
Aim for it.
three. One.
This ain't working.
That was a nice try while it lasted.
If I had somewhere to set this up, I could say all four of us could try to knock it down. Oh,
Elena, why don't you come and help us?
I have no upper body strength whatsoever.
Come on, baby. Hand her the phone.
dun da da da. Y'all can do it!
Knocking it out of the way.
Just let y'all know it's taking 9 minutes to get everything done.
Everybody, assume a position.
I'll get in there, Rob. Come on.
Come on, big cheese. Oh, there it goes. Fuck. Okay.
Oh no, you gotta finish.
I give up.
Yeah, it's almost cracked. Look. Y'all can do
It's
it.
like cracked right here.
You can so totally do it.
Come on. Let's do this thing.
Not towards me.
Come on, fat boy.
Almost. Y'all can do it.
That ain't coming, y'all.
Yeah, it might. Hang on. See if we can get it broken right here.
Push it from the top, like up towards the top where it's.
Oh, it's almost breaking. Hang on. Ow! Holy shit!
Nice.
Ow!
Why don't you try it, Chris? You got steel toes on.
So do I.
Yeah, he has
Oh,
to
d-
I just ran my toes into the steel toe. Ow! Ow! Damn it! Okay, come on. Everybody over here.
I'm about to say, get on one side.
Try it on this side now.
Come on, Chris.
You got more leeway right there.
And he's gonna, when it busts, it's gonna fall and bust his head open. Don't y'all look
Get
cute?
Chris, you fat son of a bitch.
I got a hard stick for you. All I gotta do is look at your face and it gets bigger.
You nasty.
Oh, that is nasty. I just got that.
Just got
Oh, if you would have hit her, that would have been priceless. What did you do on your Wednesday afternoon? I tore down a tree.
well, by the looks of it, it looks like we attempted.
Oh, y'all can so totally do it.
Chris, we gotta find this nice big rock.
Don't even comment. Don't even do it. Don't even say it.
What we need is a hatchet.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I messed mine up.
Hey, before you break that,
Mm-hmm.
put it up towards the top and pull it down.
Yeah, we can't do that.
You sure?
That's heavy. Hey, Chris. Move. Baby. I would move if I was you.
Here.
Pfaffenkugel?
What are you doing?
Never. Help me swing the thing.
I don't want myself useful.
No
Baby,
wonder you're always getting into it
That
with
is
your
not gonna do nothing.
Gotta hit the tree.
dad. You're allowed to get over here. You're part of it. If I'm getting laughed at, you're getting laughed at.
But I mean, that's the whole point of a relationship is to make the girl happy, right?
Why do I have to get the dangers in?
Both ends are equally dangerous. Here, I got better idea.
What's out here?
Set the wall
Y'all are not
down.
gonna be able to hit it hard enough with both of you swinging.
Oh, yeah. Well, they're gonna sleep good tonight.
Look what you did.
Yeah.
Dad's shirt.
You got another shirt to cover it up that I'm holding.
That
And
was my
you can-
dad's. Sure, what's an undershirt anyway?
You can put bleach on it and get it
Yeah,
out.
bleach on white. Get that out real nice.
You'll have to hang with me.
Who's got a knife on him?
Huh?
You got a knife on you?
Nope. I had my Bowie knife.
Actually, in the Forerunner, I got my buoy.
Well, what happened to
Go
that
get it.
firefighter's
You
knife?
go get it.
Seriously?
To be continued.